What's up, guys? So today we will be back with another video, and this won't necessarily be like a tutorial. It will basically just be me completing the order. And these two were ordered. These have been like a shop favorite. Almost out of these, so I think I got like one more left, but we're gonna work on these today really quick. And they do come on two heavy duty reels, stainless steel cord. The nurses seem to prefer those better, so I do give that option on my website and on my Etsy to add those to the badges that are not already made. So for the boho unicorn, the rhinestones are like a light tan, so let's grab those. And I got my rhinestone pencil E6000 glue. I like this better because I feel like it picks the rhinestones up better in my preference. You can use whatever you prefer. And I 3D printed this little heart scooper that I like to scoop my rhinestones out with. Alright, so let's get started. And like I said, this won't really be a tutorial. It'll just be me working on this. So I'm going to kind of just put down the first layer, and then going to kind of speed up the video. And of course, if y'all have any questions, be sure to leave them below. So right now I'm just adding a thin layer of glue. You gotta be careful because this glue right here squeezes out like nobody's business, and before you know it, you'll end up with like a whole blob of it on there. So I kind of just go around in circles while I'm pressing it down on the actual badge reel, if you can kind of hear that noise, just to get a good layer, so in case I need to shift my rhinestones around. And make sure you put the cap back on it super quick, or it's gonna like waste out everywhere. And then I just start at the bottom. And the heavy duty badge reels usually take 3 rhinestones going across this way. And I use 4mm jelly rhinestones. I like the jelly better because the coating doesn't come off the back of it when you're using like such harsh glues. And you can tell if you don't get the jelly ones, you can kind of tell they look kind of look ashy and gray looking. So I'm just going to do this one badge reel right here for you guys, and I'm going to kind of speed up the video and then show you what it looks like once I'm done.
Like what?
Alright, so after get all of that done, I kind of just measure out where I want to put my piece, glue the back of that, and while I wait for that to get tacky, I'm going to do this little strip right here. And make sure you're doing the front side so they'll be able to open the badge and slide their ID card on it. And just the same as it takes 3 across on the heavy duty, on the actual reel it takes 3 across. Actually it takes 3 across on all the little strips if you're using the 4mm rhinestones. I'm not sure how much the other ones take. I know the 3mm can do about 4, but I don't work with sizes larger than the 4mm. Just for my personal preference, because I don't like the way they look. It doesn't look as cohesive and neat to me, but and then trying to fill in all the spaces with smaller rhinestones, so I would just personally use these, or you can use whatever you have on hand or whatever you or your customer prefers. All right, and just like that, that is it. And then I kind of line this up with the actual clip, so everything is aligned, so when the customer puts it on, it's aligned in the back. And then let it dry for about 24 to 48 hours before shipping to your customer. And that's it. See you guys in the next video.